Hello, welcome to Lady Abimbola Online. Welcome to my steaming segment. Today, as usual, I will be steaming some veg and some things to it. Today, I will be making couscous. I'll be making couscous and seaweed salad with some pepperoni, zucchini, and onion, and of course my already prepared chicken. Okay, I've already seasoned the chicken. I just have to prepare it now. This actually I made it differently because some people will be eating with me. I mean, somebody will be eating with me, and this I it's with pepper, you know. This is with pepper, and that's the one I'm going to taste. And this is without pepper. This is without pepper, okay? So, as usual, let's get started. When I've diced all the veggies, I will show you again before steaming it, okay? So, I will see you in a bit. Now, I'm going to start with the chicken. I've prepared the chicken, so I'm going to start with it. That's the first layer. It's a chicken thigh, and that's the second layer. So I'm going to start with the chicken, since it needs more to, while we start to prepare the veggies. And this is the couscous. So I will start preparing the veggie. I'm going to soak this in warm water for about 10 minutes. I'm going to do this first, then I start preparing the veggies, okay? I'll start dicing the veggies. That's how it's going to go. Check the vegetables, okay? We have the pepperoni. We have this is the zucchini, and this is the red one is the pepperoni, and this one is the onion. So I'm just checking it. It all seems to be, it still needs some time to steam properly, so we'll give it some time more. The chicken, I don't need to bother to look at the chicken because the chicken needs a lot of time, okay? So I'm just going to close it, and I have two layers with chicken, this and this, this and this, and this is with chicken, and this is so later when this is true, the couscous don't need so much time, and the salad also I don't need because it's a crunchy salad. This is going to be my finishing on the couscous, the seaweed salad, and my strawberry here. These are cubes of strawberry that I diced. I'm going to use it as the finishing, okay? So I will see you in a bit. Okay, this is the end result of couscous with vegetables. This is the one with hot sauce, and this is with the curry. So this is the curry plate. These are strawberries and with couscous and vegetables, and this is with the hot sauce. It's in abundance. Okay, that's it, and bon appetit.